Hello everybody, I want to show you this video you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 11. So what we need for is the side button here and the volume up button. So if you press these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. So one more time, the side button and the volume up button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. If you're tapping now on the preview, you are able to edit the screenshot, maybe to crop it if you want to crop a part of the website or something like this, and then you are able also to paint something inside and so on. If you're ready with it, you can share it directly, maybe by WhatsApp or something like this, or you go directly on done, and then you are able to save it to the photos or to the files. So let me save it to the photos, and yeah, now it's part of our photos, as you can see here. And yeah, in the category album, it has its own category named screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao!